everyone, and welcome to Mighty Kiddos, where connection changes everything. If you've been watching the series and you're still thinking to yourself, I'm not sure if my child needs some support, I'm glad you're here because this video is for you. Now, many parents worry that if they reach out for support, this might be that they're overreacting or putting a label on their child too early. Today, I want to reframe that idea for you because looking for support early isn't about fear. It's about kindness, clarity, and connection. Now, it's completely normal to feel unsure. Parents have often told me, well, I don't want to wait too long, but I also don't want to rush. What if my child just needs a little bit more time? Or what if I'm just overreacting or I'm wrong? But here's the truth. You don't need to be certain to look for support. You just need to be curious. Early support isn't a diagnosis. It is support. And it's a kind thing to do as a parent. Now, what does extra support really mean? Now, when we're talking about early support, especially for children 0 to 3, we're not talking about forcing skills or drills. Early support looks like understanding how your child connects and communicates with others, learning strategies that fit your child, and supporting the whole family, not just the child. In fact, many families that end up seeking support walk away saying, whoa, I wish I would have done this sooner. There's so much I learned. There's so much I didn't know. And they feel empowered and more confident in their parenting journey. Now, there's so much information out there on social media. Just take some minutes and scroll on TikTok or Instagram and you can easily get confused. One of the hardest parts of parenting is knowing what is true, what to believe. And that is why I often encourage parents to use clear, developmentally informed tools instead of guessing and comparing. Now, our speech milestone tracker helps you understand what's typically expected for children 0 to 3. It also helps you notice communication patterns over time, and it helps you identify red flags clearly and calmly. The next resource is our Building Connections Play Guide. With that, you can track your child's social emotional development over time, support emotional regulation from 0 to 3 years old, and it helps you turn everyday play into meaningful moments. Now, these tools don't tell you what to think, they just help you to see your child's development and your child more clearly. Now, you might consider looking for support if your child isn't meeting multiple milestones for their age, or red flags keep showing up over time, and communication or emotional regulation feels consistently hard in spite of all of that you have tried. Lastly, and most importantly, if your gut keeps nudging at you to ask for some help and more support. You don't need to wait for things to feel bad enough. Now, I want to say one thing clearly. Looking for early support does not mean your child is broken or that there's something wrong with your child. It means that you're responding with care and curiosity to their needs. Now, early support is helpful. These are some of the benefits. It reduces frustrations, it increases connection between you and your child, and it also gives the child and the family tools that they can use for the rest of their life. Now, if you are finding that you are wanting to seek support for your child, early intervention is the way for you to go. So make sure you take a look at my early intervention video, and I will walk you through step by step on how to access early intervention services in the United States. Whether your child needs early support or just a little time, one thing is for sure, connection is the foundation of all development. Thank you so much for being here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.